Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to change Pinterest to dark mode. So without further delay, let's get started on the video. But before that, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and help me to reach 1000 subscribers, because I don't have. Okay, if you have any other question regarding Pinterest, you can check the description and you can find the answer there. So without further delay, let's get started on the topic. That our topic is how to change Pinterest to dark mode. So first of all, open the Pinterest app or website and log into your account. After you log into your account, what you have to do, just tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner, this one. From here, tap on this three dot on the top right corner. From here, tap on setting. From here, tap on account management. From here, tap on app theme, this one. And from here you can change, either you can change into light or system default or dark. We are to make it dark mode, so select dark. And this is how you change Pinterest to dark mode. I hope you like this video. If you like, subscribe to my channel and help me to reach 1000 subscribers. We'll meet you on the next video. Thank you.